Hello everyone, in this tutorial we are going to see how you can make a realistic ball bounce animation in After Effects. The animation might look simple, but if you want to be good at motion graphics and build career around it, the principles applied to this animation would be the foundation of your motion graphics skill. So I'll keep the process as simple as I can so that you can understand better and apply the principles in other animations you do. So watch this video in full and you will learn much about motion graphics. At first, let's make a composition which will be 1920 by 1080, and then we have gradient map, and let's make a ball here by selecting the ellipse tool. You will make a circle here, stroke to 0, and we will set the color to something like this one. And to make the ball a little bit better, we will bring the anchor point to here at the bottom of the ball, so that when it bounces it only comes to the anchor point. And then we'll add something like this pen with our pen tool, zoom it, look, it looks much better. And then we will add a surface to make the ball bounce. So for that, select the rectangle tool and draw a rectangle. Place it down here so that the ball can have enough space to bounce. Change the fill color to something like this if you want to. I'm just doing it for making the animation look better. And the ball layer to up so that you can manage better. Now select the position point first. Come to 1 second and place it below the surface, touching the surface. And then copy this anchor point at the first one and place it to the 2 second. Here you have the animation, but it's a little slow. We'll make it smooth by doing easy ease. Here is your final animation. And then we will set up the scale point. Unlink it here and come to the first point, pressing, see all the key points using U. At first point we won't make any change, the ball will be as it is looking like. Then in the second point we'll make it, something like this. Copy the first point and paste it here. Then come to the second point, come 3 frames forward, make it come to 3 frames forward and paste it here. Select all the keyframes, subject, and press F9. Now open the graph editor and we will see something like this. Do the steps as I am doing. Now you will have an animation like this one. So this is our final animation. If you want to learn more advanced motion graphics like magnetsmedia or iman gadzhi, I'll bring the tutorials in the future. So stay connected to us by subscribing our channel. Thank you so much everyone for your time. See you in the next video.